one of the things about this cabin people always ask is, hey, with that thing being a story and a half and having that porch on it, how do you ship it all over the country? Well, the way we do that is with these hinges. Okay, these hinges allow for the top of this porch to fold down and the bottom of the porch to fold up. We'll take all these railings out, and these screened-in porches in a panel system. We'll take the swing and put that inside. That way we can fold the top of the porch down and the bottom of the porch up, and we can ship this cabin anywhere in the country. Same with the loft on the second floor is also on a hinge system, and I'll show you that when we go inside. So the top of the loft can fold flat, so we can make it underneath those 13-foot 8-inch bridges. So that's how we do that, guys. It's all about hinges. It's all about the hinge system. So let me open this door up here and show you cabin number 3, and that will end the show for today. So let me open this up. Hang in there with me. Here we go. So you walk in to the big Bertha 1.0. And again, look at this. We do have a couple of beautiful wood stoves in here, because the wood stoves are something we're going to be offering now. And these are not just regular wood stoves, by the way. These are wood cook stoves. So not only do they have ovens in them to where you can cook in the oven, but you also got the cook stoves on top where you can actually cook. And then, of course, your firewood there where you can actually heat up the home. So it's like a 3-in-1 deal. You got the oven, you got the cookers, and you got the heat. Okay. So super cool cook stoves. We'll talk about that another time. We got 2 different sizes here. So if you're interested in getting a wood stove before the winter time, give us a call and we can get you one of these beautiful stoves. We'll have about 50 different stoves to choose from, and we'll even offer some in different colors. Again, you see what we got going on here. All kinds of natural light down here. You got the 2 windows inside the doors to allow natural light in. And then, of course, you got 2 windows there, 2, 4, and then a 5th window over there in the living room. So, again, open concept there. You have a built-in live edge mini dining room table here with 4 stools where people can, let me pull that out so you can see the stool. You can see, sit down, have your coffee, look out on your porch, enjoy your land, and eat your meals. It does come with the built-in L-shaped kitchen cabinets, beautiful knotty pine Amish handcrafted cabinets. You see a spot here for a full-size refrigerator. You see a spot here for full-size kitchen sink. It's just not been installed yet, overlooking your land and your front porch. And then over here, you got a spot for your full-size range and your hooded vent up top. So just a beautiful setup. Through this door here, puts you a pantry / laundry room, or combination of both. Okay, there's door number 1. Door number 2 here. Put you a full bathroom, tub, toilet, and sink right over here. And door number 3 underneath the stairs. Let me step back so you can see where this door's at. Door number 3, this is where you can either do your access down to the basement if you want to put this on a walkout. And usually this is a spot here on this wall where they put the 200 amp electric panel. Okay, so that's how they typically do that. This is the steps that go to the 2nd floor, and of course you've got your back door. Another popular upgrade that we make is people say, hey, I want a matching porch like on the front to put on the back side of the cabin. We can do that for $10,000. That's an upgrade, 10 grand. We can do a matching front porch on the back side of the cabin. What else? Underneath here, you see this little cubby. Extra storage underneath the stairs. Okay, and when you go up the steps, you go halfway up. I can show you here. You got a catwalk that connects this enclosed bedroom, which we got walled off and privatized, to this open bedroom, which we didn't close off, just to show you all. Guess what? We can either leave them open, we can close them off, or we can leave them both open or both closed. It's up to you. Okay, up to you. Go up the steps. Look at these beautiful handcrafted spindles on these rails. And again, just beautiful woodwork all around us. One of the things I always talk about when I get to the 2nd floor is my height. I'm 6'6", and I got all kinds of headroom up here. I can walk straight up and down, loud and proud, without hunching over and without hitting my head on nothing. So a lot of these lofts, they're not big like this where you can walk around in them. You know, a lot of these lofts, you got to crawl up on the 2nd floor, but this loft is huge. You can walk around up here, no problem. okay? This bedroom and the other one across the catwalk will fit either a queen size bed or smaller, or you see how this catwalk stops right there? We can pull the floor out this way, more of that bedroom, to where you have more livable space and less catwalk. That way you get you a king size bed in here, no problem. And remember, we can wall this off for you at no extra charge if you want us to privatize it and put a door on it like we got this room over here. No extra charge. Okay, before we go in that room, check out these views. Okay, so I'm in catwalk, right? Standing up, there's your front door, there's that little dining room table, and there's your back door. Okay, and there's your catwalk. So let me turn around and go through this room behind me, and voila, look at this. Okay, all kinds of natural light coming in. And let's close this door here. Whew, it's hot out here, boys. It's hot. So there you go. I'm sweating. I'm sweating for real. So I got to get out of here because, again, it's like almost 97 degrees. And guess what? These cabins, we don't have them hooked up to electric. So there ain't no mini splits or AC in here, y'all. And I'm up on the second floor. So the second I got up here, my hands just started sweating. Woo! It is a hot one today. It is hot, hot, hot tamale. So let me make my way downstairs so I can breathe real quick. That's another thing, guys. You get one of these up on the second floor, it's always going to be hotter. So we'll get you a couple of mini splits up here. Oh, I mentioned I was going to show you all the hinge system that allows this roof system to fold flat. So this is the hinge system right here. We told them not to cover it up because we know we're going to end up selling this. But typically after we set this, we'll use this mud here to cover all these hinges so you won't see them. But this time I told them not to cover them up. That way I can show you all on video where these hinges are at. And that's where the roof's going to fold flat. See, these rails are going to come out and we'll put those downstairs. That allows for these to fold flat for transportation. You see that triangular piece at the end? That'll fold down and out of the way. That allows this to fold flat because all these will be taken downstairs. And that's how we're able to ship this thing all over the United States, okay? So the roof will fold flat, the porch will fold flat. When the cabin shows up on your land, it's basically just showing up like a big rectangle. And then our delivery drivers are trained by the Amish to put it all back together for you. So before we leave, it's gonna look just like this, okay? Ready to go. So again, beautiful stoves, beautiful cabins. Guys, we're like a one-stop shop. So today was a full walkthrough of the Carrot Top cabin. Remember, that was $45,000, the smallest one, or just shy of $60,000 turnkey. Then the next one I went to was the El Chapo Muchacho. Remember, that one was $69,000 for the shell, or $110 turnkey. And then last but not least, this one here, the Big Bertha 1.0, which is $79,000 for the shell, which is what you see here, or we can do this one $110,000 turnkey. Now, there is a rustic Big Bertha 2.0 I want to mention. It is not on the lot right now because I sold it, but the only difference between the Big Bertha 2.0 and this one, the Big Bertha 3.0, and it's a pretty big difference, is, see, as you get older, a lot of people don't want to tackle them stairs because they got bad knees and bad joints. And with the Big Bertha 2.0, instead of this stopping here, we have a door here and then you have a bedroom downstairs. So it's 10 foot longer, okay, to accommodate a downstairs bedroom, which a lot of people like because, again, as you get older, the upstairs is for the guests and the grandkids. You want to protect them knees and joints, so you want a bedroom downstairs. You don't have to tackle these steps every time you want to go to bed. So not only is the Big Bertha 2.0 longer 10 foot, so you can have a bedroom down here, but because it is longer in the bedroom, guess what else is longer? Your porch is also 10 foot longer, right? So you get another 10 foot worth of porch with the 2.0 that the 1.0 doesn't have. Because again, remember, going that way, you're going to be another 10 foot longer because you'll have a downstairs bedroom. So you're going 10 foot longer this way for the bedroom and 10 foot longer this way for the porch, okay? The top will still be the same, 14 by 32, but the bottom will be 14 by 42, okay? And remember, the 3.0 you see here is actually 14 by 46 times 2, but that loft goes all the way across. The 2.0, the loft stops here, Same like the 1.0, but the bottom floor goes another 10 foot, and so does the porch. And that one is $99,000 for the shell, or $130,000 turnkey. That's the big Bertha 2.0. Okay, so you're 10 foot longer on the first floor for the room downstairs and 10 foot longer on the porch. So now you have had a comprehensive review of the 3 rustic cabins. Again, the big Bertha 1.0, the El Chapo Muchacho 1.0, and last but not least, the Carrot Top 1.0. Okay, if y'all have any questions, give us a call at 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Again, Gen Xers, baby boomers, show me some love and comment below. Gen X or boomer or whatever year you was born, so I know I got my people watching me. And thanks so much for watching. Hit the like, hit the share, and don't forget to subscribe. Smash the subscribe button so you don't miss any of my future content. Again, you can call me directly at 812-595-4033. 812-595-4033. You know who it is. Checking out Cabin Cowboy. You already know country life, baby. That's the only life for me. You better believe it, baby. Stop playing with me. I love y'all, man. Y'all be blessed. God is good. God is great. God is good all the time.